I've been asked in the context of a bus accident whether I think it's a good idea to take the insurance company's first offer on that here in Mississippi. And really, whether you're in Mississippi or anywhere else, first and foremost, I want to encourage you, if you or a loved one have been involved in a bus crash and have been injured, that is just simply not the kind of case where you need to try to do that on your own. You just point blank, unless you're an attorney, but if you're an attorney, you probably know that you shouldn't represent yourself. If you're not an attorney, not doing claims adjusting on a daily basis, there's just so many pitfalls that people can fall into trying to talk to an insurance adjuster for the other side and handle the claim themselves. And particularly on complex commercial vehicle litigation, which a bus crash would fall into. And usually when that's involved, there's catastrophic injuries, potentially death, there's multiple parties involved, there's high stakes in terms of the amount of money involved, and that's just not the situation where anybody should be trying to do it on their own, representing themselves. So don't do that. The reason I'm going through explaining that is because most of the time, if that question is coming up, should I take the first offer from the insurance, it's within the context of someone trying to do it on their own. And so that's why I'm just trying to go at length to explain the whys of why you should not be trying to negotiate on your own. But also, without getting into any kind of trade secrets or, how we do business or what have you, in any negotiation, there's a lot of factors and strategy that go into it. And I guess the point I want to make is that if you're involved in a case, a claim that's arising from a bus crash or some other form of complex commercial vehicle litigation, you can rest assured the insurance adjuster on the other side, the risk manager of that company, the insurance company that has the coverage, and sometimes there's more than one in litigation like this. These ain't the newcomers that are involved. These are the folks who do it on a regular basis. They've been doing it a while. They are used to dealing in big claims. And a lot of times, once they realize they have liability, and if they're going to be on the hook for that wreck and for the injuries that are arising from it, their next immediate strategy is to just try to get it resolved fast and cheap. And part of that strategy is that if they can swoop in and talk directly to the family, they know they can probably get it resolved for a fraction of what the claim is worth. And so just knowing that alone should give you ammunition and reason not to do it yourself or try to do it on your own. But for any claim, whether it's a car wreck claim, medical malpractice, go through any of them, there is some truth to to the notion that you never get the best offer up front. You don't get that on a car lot when you're going to buy a car. They never make you the best offer. That's the first thing out of their mouth. You don't do it in any other context of negotiation. And so it's pretty fair to say, probably not going to get that in legal negotiation either. And again, without going into great detail of how we negotiate, I will tell you the secret that's not really a secret. And that is the people, the victims, the claimants, the plaintiffs who bring claims, who get fair value and who get maximum value for their claims, are the people who have, one, the facts on their side and liability, but second, who have counsel who work up that claim and prepare for trial and prepare for litigation in a way where the other side knows, and there's no question about it, that they've done the work, they've done the preparation, and they're prepared to get top dollar for that claim, whether it be through negotiation or whether it be at trial. And so that again is reason why seeking out the right representation that's a fit for your claim is important, why looking to someone who has a track record of experience litigating personal injury claims, track record of success with complex commercial injury claims, such as bus accidents, is important. And having the confidence that they're going to work up that claim for you and be prepared, and the other side is going to see that. And it's when they see that you're more likely to get full value and fair value for that claim. So my name is Brad Morris. We've had success with complex commercial vehicle injury litigation here at my firm. If you or a family member have been injured in a bus crash or some similar type of commercial vehicle incident, we're here to answer your questions. And our goal is to get maximum value for our clients, to make sure that our clients get fair value. And what we have learned is the way to do that is to put in the hard work, to invest in the cases, to investigate the cases, to do the discovery, but to work up those cases in a way where we're prepared to get full value and where the other side sees that we're prepared. And what we've learned is that's when we see the offers and negotiations that are fair. So if you have a case arising out of a bus crash or similar incident and want to discuss it, we offer free consults. If you just have questions, if you just need some questions answered about your bus wreck case, reach out to us on our website or give us a call. And our goal is to get you pointed in the right direction to try to get you the help that you need. Again, I'm Brad Morris, and I really appreciate your time listening to this. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you.